Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys all the beautiful gifts that I received for my birthday. As you can see, मेरे पीछे इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स का पहाड़ बना हुआ है एंड मुझे ना ऐसे वीडियोस बहुत पसंद है. I just love watching people opening their gifts, चाहे वो बर्थडे के लिए होते हो या फिर anniversaries, anything. Without much blabbering, चलो let's quickly get started with today's video. First of all, I received these beautiful flowers from my friends. एक और बुके है but रोज ना पूरा बिखर चुका है, वो मम्मा की तरफ से था. But I received these beautiful flowers from my friends and I just love receiving flowers any time of the year. चाहे वो बर्थडे पे हो या फिर ऐसे ही any girl will absolutely love receiving flowers. So these are the first gift that I received and I love flowers. So this is what the first item looks like. ये रहा नायका नाउस पे है like this. बुके को पानी लग चुका है. So let's open this up. I think I know what this is. So this is the leave-in treatment that I had my eye on for such a long time and finally I have it right here. I'm so excited to be actually using this and see amazing results. काफी अच्छा reviews थे. So this is what the first gift looks like. So cute. Next I have this rechargeable battery. Oh my god, if you're someone who is into this creative field, you know कि when we receive practical gifts like this, it actually makes us so happy. I shoot everything with my camera. ठीक है, कैमरा में लास्ट ली थी एंड तब से ना I have tried to shoot all my things on my camera itself. एंड कैमरे पे ना जो बैटरी है सोनी का ओरिजिनल जो कैमरे के साथ आता है वो पूरे दिन नहीं चलता है. सो मुझे शूट के बीच में जाके कैमरे को चार्ज करना पड़ता है. सो receiving a rechargeable and an extra battery is actually such a nice gift and a thoughtful gift. Then I have this beautiful handmade glove and oh my god, you guys, just look at this. One of my friends is so good in this handmade stuff. आप कुछ भी बोलो उसे बनाने को, she'll just give it, okay? Make it and give it to you. So this is what she made for me. So this is how it looks like and it also has a space for my thumb to just peek out and this is how it looks. Oh my god, and everything right here is totally handmade. उसने एक रात में बैठ के सब कुछ complete किया. This has to be one of the cutest and सबसे मेहनत वाला gift that I have received. I love it so very much. Then I received this beautiful handmade flower. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what I received and it looks so cute. It will just look so nice on my desk. Let's try to pull this and hopefully कुछ ना गिरे. Oh my. Then I have so many chocolates. और भी सारे थे but I had eaten few of them. So यही कुछ बचे उचे हैं. The next gift that I have is from Myntra and it's a pair of heel. It's so flashy, so beautiful and the best part, it has kitten heels. 1 inch का होगा ये heel and it's so damn comfortable. So this is the next gift that I actually chose for myself and it is so nice, so beautiful and it's so comfortable. Let's get this and this is actually a gift that my mom and me हम दोनों ने मिलकर हमने ये लिया because as you guys know gold is freaking expensive. You know I had this thing कि बर्थडे पे कुछ सोना लेना. We went ahead and decided कि चलो एक रिंग ले लेते हैं. I love wearing rings. You'll see me wearing jewelry all the time. I love it. जिसको भी मैंने दिखाया they were like yeah, it's simple, modern and actually looks nice. इसका कुछ डब्बा इस तरीके से आपको मिल जाएगा. And then we have the ring right here. Not very fancy, not very flashy. I wanted something that I can stack with all the other older rings जो मैंने लिया हुआ है. So this is the ring that I got. ठीक है. So gift का gift भी हो गया and मुझे gold लेना था तो मैं gold भी ले लिया. This is what the ring looks like. I love it. It just looks so nice. Now let's check this out and this is what I have next. तो चलो देखते हैं. Okay, it's a bag actually and this was sent as a camera bag. मेरे पास जो मेरा कैमरे का बैग है ना मैं आपको शो करती हूँ. So दिस इज़ द कैमरा का बैग दैट आई हैव. इट लुक्स सो मैनली. जब से मैंने अपना कैमरा लिया है तब से आई have been eyeing and I've been searching for a bag that is girly, looks nice. This was actually gifted to me as a camera bag. इस पे ना मेरा सारा कैमरा, माइक वगैरह जो भी essentials है सब कुछ आ जाएगा. It looks so girly, so nice, and it can actually fit a lot of my cameras and my all my other camera essentials. Finally, I have a bag that is actually girly where I can actually fit and carry my camera without looking so manly. Let's go ahead and check this out. ये मैंने I think खुद के लिए ही order करा है if I'm not wrong. So this is what I got for myself. एक और दो चीज़ है जो मैंने खुद के लिए order करा है. I've been eyeing this particular perfume काफ़ी दिनों से and मैंने finally ले लिया. So इसी के साथ मुझे ना ये वाला bag फ्री में मिला एज अ फीबी एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड अलानको एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. काफ़ी प्यारा है और इट्स लाइक चलो ब्लाइंड बाय करके देखती हूँ शायद अच्छा निकले एंड बॉय आई लव इट सो वेरी मच. सो दिस इज द freebie that I got with the perfume that I got. Then we have the OG perfume right here. So this is the perfume that I got. प्लास्टिक खोल लेते हैं and boy I'm so happy. It just smells so beautiful, so feminine and so girly. And मैंने ना ये छोटा वाला ही ऑर्डर करा 30 ml में because I was actually not sure कि मुझे पसंद आने वाला है कि नहीं. So that's why I ordered the smallest size. But now after I finish this I'm going to order the largest bottle because I love it so very much. So this right here is a total successful blind buy. Okay, let's check this out and it's a bag, another bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. मेरे पास हरे रंग का बैग है but वो बेज रंग का मेरे पास बैग नहीं है, ठीक है? And I have it again finally. So this is what the next gift looks like. It's a beautiful beige textured sling bag from the brand Allen Solly and golden chain वगैरह है. So it's like a classic piece. I can actually carry a lot of things inside it. So thank you so very much. मेरे पास कोई beige या फिर nude रंग का बैग ही नहीं था but I have one finally. Let's open this up क्योंकि मैंने खुद भी इसे खोला नहीं है. So let's open this up. So this is the shampoo that I had my eye on. Is the Nexus का shampoo, the Bond Repair Keratin shampoo, and this is how it looks like. I also have the serum and it just smells so nice. So this is what the next gift looks like जो मैंने choose किया and I'm so excited to go ahead and use it because I've heard great reviews about this beautiful shampoo right here. Let's open this one. ये actually मेरी twin sister ने जिसके साथ मैं बर्थडे शेयर करती हूँ. शी मेड दिस ब्यूटिफुल हैम्पर सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, ठीक है? मेरे सामने बैठ के बनाया and I didn't even realize that she made it for me. This is what the beautiful hamper looks like. Along with this, she also gifted me a beautiful मेरे MacBook के लिए cover that I actually wanted, ठीक है? काफ़ी दिनों से मुझे पिंक कलर का cover चाहिए था. She was asking क्या चाहिए? I was like ठीक है ये दे दे. So this is actually what her gift looks like. Along with the cover मेरे MacBook के लिए, she also gifted me this beautiful silver earrings that she got from Carter London. So she gifted me this very beautiful silver का, this is real silver का beautiful stud earring and it just looks so nice. मैंने पहना भी था बर्थडे के दिन and it just looks so nice. Let's open this up. इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. I've already opened it up, so that's why मैं कह पा रही हूँ कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. These are all the stuff that I got. So I love it when people actually know what to send me or gift me because they see me using those items and they know how much I am going to be using them. So I'm someone who actually wears makeup every single day and I use micellar water and I got 2 huge bottles of Bioderma ka micellar water. It is that easy to get. If you see me using a particular thing every single day, just give me that because I'm actually going to use that every single day again. 2 महीने से ज़्यादा तो आराम से चल जाएगा. Then we have this package right here and it's from Tira. ठीक है, ये Tira का box है. Huda Beauty ka lipstick. Again, this is something that I absolutely love. Whenever I'm out, I'm using this particular lipstick because this is my absolute favorite shade. Again, I love when people actually notices things and actually gives it to you. One of my absolute favorite shade. And again, I have already stopped. So this is what the next gift looks like, and I freaking love it. I already have one and I have a restock. Next, I have this Nexus ka hair serum. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I have a shampoo as well as a serum right here. I'm so happy. So this is what the Nexus ka hair serum looks like. This is what the next item looks like, and I freaking love it. And then we have some freebies along with those orders. Foaming gel. So this is what the first freebie looks like. Then we have the Huda Beauty ka freebies, the primer and the Easy Blur foundation. So this is the last few freebies that I got along with the gifts that I have received. This was all that I have received is Tira ke package mein. Then I have this beautiful earring. Again, this is something that I absolutely love wearing. ठीक है, मुझे इस तरीके का chunky hoop earrings मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. One that I'm wearing is also one of my absolute favorite. So I received this beautiful chunky gold earring, and इसके साथ एक और मुझे same एक और मुझे मिला, but I don't know मैंने कहाँ रखा है. Along with this is in golden color. The same one that I received is also in a silver color. एक gold and एक silver में मुझे receive हुआ. These are some of the things that I got for myself. So the very next gift that I got is a bag. Okay, here's a bag that I got for myself. So this is what the next item looks like that I gifted to myself. It's a beautiful, beautiful Guess ka bag. So this is what the bag looks like. This is my first Guess ka bag. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. I love it. It's so structured, looks so nice. The color literally goes with any of my outfit. Then I have this huge package from Naseem. My people know that I love perfume, and I received another perfume. So this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. I have not opened it yet. So this is how it's gonna open. Oh my god, this has to be one of the most prettiest perfume that I have in my collection right now. I mean, just look at this right here. Oh my god, it's milky. ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने कुछ award जीता है. Just look at this beautiful perfume. Oh, it also has a mirror. Oh my god, here's a spray. Oh, it smells so luxurious. Oh my god, this is going to be one of my signature scents, I guess. And lastly, मेरे पास एक डब्बा बचा हुआ है, and it's right here. Yeah, actually मैंने अपने लिए ही लिया था. So this is actually a sneaker. You guys know I'm a huge sneakerhead. So I really wanted a new pair of sneaker. काफी टाइम से हो चुका है कि मैं नया sneaker नहीं खरीदी थी. So I really wanted a pair of sneaker. So मुझे ये वाला sneaker काफी अच्छी प्राइस में मुझे दिख गया था, around 5,000 rupees. इतना बड़ा डब्बा है. And then when I opened this is what I have. It is in this beautiful packaging right here. As you can see, very nice packaging. So this is what the beautiful sneaker looks like. So this is what the beautiful sneaker looks like that I got from Nike. I ordered it from Myntra. काफी अच्छे प्राइस में मुझे मिल गया. I love the color scheme. So this is what the beautiful sneaker looks like. It looks absolutely gorgeous and is so very comfortable. It looks nice, it's absolutely comfortable, and is surely a compliment factor. So yeah, with that I would like to end today's video, and I hope you guys like it. अगर आपको इन में से कोई भी गिफ्ट में से अगर आपको कोई भी गिफ्ट आपको खुद के लिए लेना हो या फिर किसी और के लिए लेना हो, मैं सारी चीज़ों के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. And yes, thank you so much you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye-bye.